But Trayvon, 3 points today. Clean. Didn't get the clean sheet. What's your assessment of the performance?
Well, I give my assessment of performance 8 out of 10 because did not play well because of the indiscipline that I displayed today in the game.
Defensively, you guys look solid. Despite disappointed about the penalty.
Yes, that should be a penalty because my hand was on my body at the time that the ball played across the face of the goal.
But at the end of the day, what about the defensive performance of the team?
I give them performance a 10 out of 10 because we've been working together in training all season long. So we come like a family around there, so each one help one. And as the coach tell us before, everybody tackle for everybody, we just tackle for ourselves. As somebody make a mistake, we try to make it up so them can look good out there in the defensive third of the field.
Captaincy, let's talk about captaincy. You're the captain of Charlie Smith, your big brother's assistant and some vice and sometimes captain of the national team. What do you think about the role that you play now as the captain for Charlie Smith?
Well, I have leader qualities, so when I talk to the guys, they listen. So that is the main reason why the coach give me this responsibility. So I can carry out the instruction to the other players on the team.
Centre back, your big brother is a centre back as well, Damion Lowe. What inspiration does he draw from him?
A lot, because I really like to play with him someday in the national squad.
That's it. That's a drive. Yeah. You better do it early because I'm go up my age. But overall, you think it's a good game and you think you guys have what it takes to go all the way?
Yes, Charlie Smith never drop out in the group stages. So the farthest we are going to go is the finals or the semi-finals.
You don't think you have what it takes to win it this season?
Yes, we have what it takes to win it this season. But all the boys got to do now is just hard work and dedication and have the right frame of mind to go out there and carry out what we're doing to training, also coach's instruction.
All right, big up yourself here. Yeah. Well done, Capo.